Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup in pressure cooker, easy method. Start by heating a splash of oil and sautéing chopped onion, carrot, and celery until fragrant and lightly softened, about 5 minutes. Add chicken pieces and sear briefly for flavor. Pour in broth, scrape the bottom to release brown bits, season with salt and pepper, and close the lid to pressure cook according to your cooker instructions. After sealing the pressure cooker, select high pressure and set the timer for 8 minutes to achieve tender chicken and well-flavored broth. Allow a natural release for 5 minutes to finish gentle cooking and reduce splatter, then carefully perform a quick release to drop pressure fully. Remove the lid away from your face, stir the soup to combine flavors, and check seasoning. If needed, adjust salt and pepper before adding noodles in the next step. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy pressure cooker recipes. Quick recommendation. The book I mentioned can truly change how you think about money and pairs humorously with slow soups and fast meals, making kitchen time feel productive. Check the description for the link and other deals on that recommended read and related tools. Then now let's get back to the video. Switch to the sauté or simmer setting and stir in the egg noodles, allowing them to cook directly in the hot broth until tender, about 6 minutes depending on noodle size. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and monitor texture so noodles stay al dente. Finish by folding in chopped parsley and a little squeeze of lemon juice to lift the flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning, then serve hot with crusty bread or crackers for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.